Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump in this video, I want to ask you guys, smash a like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin about to make a move. I'm looking for a Bitcoin move in the next 24 to 48 hours. This is the Bitcoin 1 hour chart. Real quick, before we go over this chart, I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin in 5 days. Make sure subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. I'm going to give somebody $500 in Bitcoin. I mean, Bitcoin's going to 10x from here. It's going to be worth $5,000 before you know it. Huge. Free Bitcoin. Subscribe, like, comment. I'll select a random comment and give it away in 5 days. Huge. Bitcoin 1 hour chart. Bitcoin broke this overhead resistance, the all-time high. There's news all over. Bitcoin sets new all-time high, 49,700, putting 50,000 within striking distance. This is a major, think about it, 20,000 was major psychological resistance. Now, here we are, 50,000. 50,000, there's a lot of sellers, a lot of people taking profits at 50,000. It's going to be, when we do break 50,000, we see 55,000 real fast. I think we see a big run up. So sometimes it's easier to react than predict. So right now, bottom line is bulls need to hold this level. I mean, this is a rising wedge technically. Okay, there's a 68% chance it breaks to the downside. But however, like we've seen it with these altcoins, these rising wedges, when they break higher, it goes parabolic, right? And so it's really better to react than predict in this situation, right? I want to see the bulls hold this level first. I mean, the priority is upwards as long as the bulls can hold this level, right? You start to get a breakdown to the lower trend line and possibly things change. So I'll keep you updated on this idea. But again, breakout targets, I mean, I think we see 55,000 pretty fast after this, if this does break out to the upside. I got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person said, I hit the 7-figure club yesterday. That's huge. Like, we've got people in the trading group that have turned a few $1,000s into hundreds of thousands of dollars. And then you see people that started off with $100,000. They're in the 7-digit club. They're millionaires. Life-changing money, period. This is awesome. This person stated, I've been in the group for 4 months and I'm up $68,000. Huge. This young lady was awesome to hear from. Got an email. She signed up 2 months ago. She said, my goal was to make $100 a day and eventually go full-time crypto. As of today, I made $328,000. Life-changing money. She made $126,000 this past week. She said, I'm a nurse. It would take me 1.5 years to make $126,000. Listen, the group is cheap. You can pay for the trading group for the year in 2 trades. Like, it's way underpriced. If you guys want to make life-changing money, this is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetime right here staring us in the face. If you're not making a ridiculous amount of money right now, something's wrong. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, if you pay in crypto right now, it's 50% off. So go to my website, cryptorev.net. This is XVS, Venus. This is a 10x in 8 weeks, up 1,019%. Now, I gave you guys this setup. Actually, I gave you the setup before this. I gave you guys this setup right here. I gave you guys the setup. We did a follow-up video on this. We're looking for the triangle breakout. Look, it was $4. XVS was $4. Now, all-time high, $56. More than 10x. Huge gains in the trading group. Like, it's amazing the amount of upside we've seen out of these altcoins. Like, I can't even stress enough. Like, hey, yeah, own some Bitcoin, but man, these altcoins is where the money's at. Altcoin season. Venus roadmap. So this news came out and it pumped crazy. It's up like 40-something% today. You got to find the news before the news that moves the markets. This is the news that comes out and immediately people start buying based on this news. So I got 4,000 plus sets of eyes, 4,400 sets of eyes working with me, finding this news, posting in a chat group. And so we find this stuff quick. Anyway, so Venus has got Venus origination fees, XVS holder airdrop, Venus DEX coming. Fixed rate lending, huge. The total crypto market cap right now has exceeded 1.5 trillion. Seems so legit, in the trillions now. For the first time ever, 1.5 trillion, all of crypto. Man, 2018 looks minuscule. Looks like, essentially it was half of what the market cap is now. You have to wonder, like, hey, where's the pullback at, though? Listen, and these altcoins have pulled back. I'm going to talk to you about the altcoins. I'm going to talk to you about some coins that it's dip buying. Essentially, we want to buy these dips. You want to buy the dips that make you sick. We're going to talk about some coins and some projects to watch for dip buying. Stratus news. I got some setups as well at the end of the video. Stratus news, new integration partner being announced next week. It's going to bring exposure to Strax, and it pumped immediately. I woke up, got in on this waves setup. I took profits from some of my altcoins, put it in Bitcoin, want to see if Bitcoin breaks higher, and I did buy a chunk of waves and made about 12% on it real quick, just based on this waves exchange. Like, I'm telling you guys, these DEXs are the future, or they're perceived to be the future, and so people buy them. And people buy DeFi, people buy waves is has a ton of things going on with DeFi, and now this decentralized exchange. So waves has some upside. Like, if you look at waves chart, it's doing things that other coins aren't doing today. All right, so you got some news out of Hard Protocol testnet launch coming 4 days. HBAR testnet release coming in 4 days. CELO, CELO, I posted a setup on this and it took off immediately. Newer coin on Binance. They got a community update coming on the 18th. A lot of things happening on the 18th. Qtum, again, another one to watch. $20 million worth of Qtum tokens have been locked to stimulate DeFi initiatives. There it is, DeFi. DeFi now. Qtum hasn't, it previously obviously has pumped extreme, but on this news it hadn't moved yet last time I checked. Wrapped Qtum. So the Qtum project, they worked with blockchain exchange Gate.io, and they're locking 20 million of these Qtum tokens, and they're going to wrap these tokens. They're going to stimulate DeFi opportunities on various Ethereum DEXs and protocols. It's going to be one of the first steps in Qtum's plan to attract liquidity away to layer 2 solutions. You guys remember Sand? I gave you guys this news. I talked about there's a bunch of land and a bunch of hype on Sand. I gave you guys this setup right here. Buy the breakout of this yellow trend line. Look at this round. We talked about these parabolas, parabolic, rounded bottoms pay the bills, baby. They pay the bills every day. Look at this. 346 Satoshis. Boom. 70% profits out of Sand. A setup that I gave you guys. Life-changing money, baby. Let's go. Bitcoin dominance. What's happening with these altcoins? Bitcoin dominance. You notice that altcoins bled. They've been bleeding, right, over the past 12 hours. Now, why does that happen? It's because the money, it shows you people are exiting their altcoin positions and they're moving to Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance broke this previous, this technically would be previous resistance, is now support. And now it's at this resistance, which, this was good for the altcoins. This is amazing for the altcoins that this resistance got broken. This is, a reversal idea. Falling wedge is a reversal pattern. Okay. Now, if Bitcoin pumps, there's a higher probability, about 75% of the time, this thing's going to pump too, and these altcoins will bleed, right? So just remember that. But when this thing turns around, altcoin season, insane altcoin season. When this thing, if it gets rejected right here at this resistance, you're looking for more downside. These altcoins turn on again in a second. Again, Mondays Sunday nights Eastern time, Monday mornings, Monday. I'm looking for a move out of Bitcoin next 24, 48 hours. Ethereum, what's Ethereum doing? I'm not super excited about this trend line being broken. I mean, Ethereum's been respecting this trend line. Now, let's see how it broke it here. Previously, the price action came down, broke this trend line, came back, retested it, kind of double bottomed, and then broke above it. Okay, so, but you can see it's been respecting and bounce. Respecting and then bounce. Well, here, you got a little bit of volume, and it broke below it. And so I want to see this break back above this trend line, and then this, uptrend, this slow uptrend for Ethereum would continue. However, if it doesn't, you have to assumes there's some possible downside if Ethereum can't reclaim this level. Now, Bitcoin pumps to the upside. I mean, you have to think that Ethereum sees some positive price action, but if Bitcoin dominance is pumping, maybe Bitcoin would outperform Ethereum. So Bitcoin sees a 10% pump, Ethereum sees 3 or 5% pump, right? Bitcoin breaks lower, Ethereum's following it, period, right? So it's at this point, it's a lot better to react than predict. I got alerts set, sirens are going to be going off. We'll be talking about this. I'll keep you guys updated. Crypto mogul, Justin Sun. He bets on meme investing with millions in GameStop. You guys remember the Wall Street bet scenario where everybody's pumping GameStop, and Justin Sun says, hey, I'm going to come out, I'm going to support all these younger investors, right? People were swarming into GameStop to invest in it, or essentially to short squeeze some of the institutions that were shorting it, right? And that whole drama situation played out. Well, Justin Sun bought $10 million worth of GameStop at the height of the rally. He bought the top. He says CEOs should be more engaged with their fan base. Now, this $10 million is worth $2 million now. He lost $8 million. He says, I think I'm going to hold, even if I lose money on GME. I mean, technically $8 million. Yeah, you're down. I still believe this is a paradigm shift. He said that a lot of these younger people, investing is different now. Stocks, crypto. I mean, listen, I went to my bank. Banks are paying garbage. The lady at the bank basically said, like, dude, you don't want to keep your money in this account. It's doing nothing. I'm like, yeah, you're right. So the point is, like, you've got banks paying nothing. People are a lot smarter, and they know it. They're going to make more money in the stock market. In crypto, that's a big move. Is a lot of this we see this paradigm shift of people moving money into crypto, potentially from their stock holdings or potentially from their bank accounts. Their portfolios are definitely open to some crypto trading and holding. Lindsay Lohan's affair with Bitcoin's over. Now she's pumping Tron. She says Lindsay Lohan had been diving into DeFi over the last 24 hours, not with Ethereum, but with Tron. She said Tron founder Justin Sun has done a good job with DeFi. She auctioned off an Ethereum-based NFT digital collectible marketplace called Referral, and basically saying Bitcoin to the moon. But Chainlink's going to power moguls decentralized film financing instruments. So this decentralized film financing platform called Mogul is integrating Chainlink, oracles, and its version 1 release. It's going to ensure transparency of profits distribution. So oracles by Chainlink are going to be used for accurate price broadcasting, connecting on-chain and off-chain data streams, and so on. By the way, Chainlink had a breakout that we were looking for and did have a retest. And so, I mean, when you're thinking about coins to, I think $50 Chainlink's in the cars, and I've been telling you guys that. It's just slowly inching higher. It hasn't even went parabolic yet. So keep an eye on Chainlink. But Mogul released this STARS utility token to allow user-driven voting and rewards distribution. Main thing is Chainlink is going to be huge. They got a lot of partnerships. It seems like they're always adding partnerships, and that's amazing. Now, a lot of these coins have been pulling back, and I want to give you guys a list of coins to watch when you're buying. You want to buy the biggest, scariest dips. Now, I mean, this is a 1 hour time frame, but you see what the price action did, how it reacted to this. This yellow line is the 200 simple moving average. Okay. If you guys go into indicators on Tradingview, you can pull up 5 SMAs Crypto Revolution, and it will set up your SMAs on Tradingview.
the same colors as mine, so you guys understand this is the 21, the 50, the 80, the 100, the 200. You can see the price action bounced here. But again, you're looking for dips to buy. COTI is one of those. It's got a ton of news coming the end of next month, ton of upside, so I think it rebounds. EGLD is another one, massive upside. What it's trying to do right now is essentially go through reaccumulation, because you'll start to get this rounded bottom type situation here, reaccumulation, okay? And so again, buy the dips that scare you. EGLD, one to watch. This is SXP. SXP, I think we see $5. Now it lost the 200 simple, like we were just talking about. It broke below it and it's retesting it. So I mean, you could have a decent pullback here. You're just going to draw your falling wedge. You get Tradingview, get Coinigy, and essentially, you know, buy. You want to scale in. When I say buy, you want to look, this is, see how this bounce, see how the RSI is way down here? See how this is oversold bounce, right? If you look, every time this thing hits oversold, you get a bounce in the price action. Look, oversold, bounce, bang. Look, oversold, bang. If you just bought oversold bounces and that's it, like, you'd make a ton of money in this market. This is not, you have to be a professional trader or TA specialist to make a ton of money in this market, right? You can just buy some oversold bounces. So that's where you're looking for entry ideas. And again, if this thing could continue to just roll over, and it might, okay? But the key is you want to scale in your entries. You want to buy at support, so find previous support levels, major support levels, and look for reversals based on that idea. So you got to be smart about it. Theta, BTC. This hasn't taken off yet. However, it's running out of room. There's not much room left here for Theta, so keep an eye on Theta. This is BTC trading pair. So if Bitcoin pumps, this thing's going to get wrecked, right? Bitcoin pumps. Like these BTC pairs do amazing when Bitcoin's doing nothing. 1 inch, you got to put on your radar. Set your alerts for this guy. This is a DeFi DEX aggregator. It's going to shop around to Uniswap, to SushiSwap, all these DEXs, and find you the best price. Now, you're gonna move down here to this lower trend line. You're going to buy the aggressive buy. Like, aggressive buy means I have a chart in front of me. I know that, hey, Bitcoin's not plummeting, and, you know, potentially I'm looking for entry here. You know, I got to, you know, myself put together a little bit. I'm not just, you know, you don't want to put a limit buy order right here and then it just fills if there's a Bitcoin dip, you know. So, but it's buy the bottom of this trend line, okay, and then you can just essentially try to take profits up here, or if it breaks out, then you're already in the trade. So you're front running this pattern. But I mean, we could see $11 1 inch based on this idea, and buy the falling wedge breakout here. So this is a retest of this previous breakout level. Look at all this volume right here that came in. You guys see that? See all this volume? That was a breakout. All right, came up here, and then you got this falling wedge and a possible retest. So you're looking for a breakout and then possibly $30 band over time. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.